Alright, so today we're in the bush for a day hike, and we're going to do tacos, field tacos, Smokies and beers. We're going to see how that turns out.
Time for some bushwhacking. Log. All right, this is where we're gonna basically set up our little camp for beers. Looks all right.
Okay, you're recording.
All right.
So this is the tactical beer cozy.
Holds up to 6 shock top, and we're gonna get this party started.
Cheers. Cheers.
There we go. All right, Adam is gonna start our fire. There she goes. And this is just a simple trick of basically egg cartons, some dryer lint, and a little bit of wax and some wood shavings. These should burn for about 10 or 15 minutes maybe, well, depending on how we get this going.
It's all about the small wood at this point.
And the necessity for cold or warm hands when you've got cold beers is an important thing.
It's very. That's why you drink the beer, so you have a warm head. The big thing is not to pack your fire too much. You want to cross your leaves so that there's a lot of airflow in there. Small sticks, get them going. You can see what you want to avoid is smoke. Smoke means cool fire. The hotter the fire, the less smoke you got. All right, so when you build a fire, start small, and then you want to keep your wood, make sure it's got no snow on it or nothing like that, and start warming up the dry stuff, or the bigger stuff. Wood has to be hot. Anything will burn if it gets hot enough, but cold wood doesn't burn very well. You want to start, you know, just packing in your little pieces. What we did first was put 4 big, or 5 or 6 big pieces about that big on the bottom to keep it off the snow right away, so it doesn't melt. As it gets down, the snow will go away. We'll be fine. All right, so one of the most important skills is being able to open a beer anywhere. This is Cold Steel's Kirka Group 3 Plus 01 tool steel. It comes with a little guard. Just like that. Now you want to get good at it so that when you're drunk, it does not a hassle. It'll ruin your buzz.
Alright guys, so Adam's got some pretty cool knives that he's going to give us a run through on and give him some specs and just generally give him a little show and tell. So go ahead Adam, take it away.
Alright, so I got 3 blades to show you today. 2 of them are by Cold Steel, 1 is by Zombie Tools. I'll put my beer down, I'll spill that.
Because beer and knives are a good idea.
Well, it's better to be looking at it than looking for it, right?
Exactly.
The first one I'm going to show you is by Cold Steel. This knife has been with me for over 20 years. It's called the Recon Tonto. Its steel is carbon 5, proprietary steel by Cold Steel. Really good. Some people claim it's 01 tool steel with a little bit of vanadium added to it, but razor sharp, Creighton handle, nice coating on the blade. I've skinned moose, I've skinned deer, taken it hunting, chopped up wood. Very versatile, wicked, good to have. Nice Kydex sheath, so when it's in, locks in.
Nice.
The second one's a little larger. Again, 01 tool steel. This is called the Gurkha Kukri Plus. 12-inch blade with a nice guard. These chop exceptionally well. They probably match a normal blade about that long. Very heavy, very thick. Works really, really good.
Once we're done here, we should do a show of that chopping something to see how good it does.
Yeah. The last one I'm going to show you is something I carry in the bush that replaces an axe. It's by Zombie Tools. Now, this is called the Deuce 2. The blade is 5160 spring steel, hardened to about, I think Zombie Tools says around 56 Rockwell. Aluminum scales, leather wrapped handle. Really good balance. Your balance point is about 3 inches out, right about there. So it's very easy to swing around without and recover.
Nice.
That'll go through just about anything in the woods.
There you go. Knife review 101.
Alright, so the Kukri Plus chopping, this is Deadfall. It was already dead when we picked it up. Just clean off your branches. And then when you hit them, don't hit them in straight in, hit them on an angle. And just snap them. So it does work good. That blade, you want to hit the right about here is your contact point. About 2/3 up the blade is where you want to hit. That's where you get the most chopping power. I see with the Kukri, because of the design, it shears as well as chops at the same time.
Alright folks, so we're going to do some rehydration. We're going to do tacos today in the field.
Hydration.
We've got basically 3 packs of a half cup each of ground beef. We're going to season it with the taco seasoning. And we're going to boil about 375. And we're going to just put it at the side of the fire, let it get going, and then we're going to pour it in here, and then we're going to start making some tacos. Good to go.
Field tacos.
Give her the pour.
That's about a bit more.
Alright,
Now we're good.
The edge of the fire. Pick that up.
It's 2 cups, but after it,
We'll put the lid on. Alright, so Adam's basically put all of our Tex-Mex seasoning into our hot water, which we're now going to pour into our individually wrapped, hopefully without burning Adam's fingers.
hopefully,
That's the hope.
we hope. I hope.
Oh, that's a beef cube. It'll add more flavor to it. So put it over here, and I guess we'll try and do more. There you go, safety first.
There we go.
something where not there. Okay, more over here.
You take that.
Yeah.
I'll get the next one going.
About 10 minutes, and that'll hydrate and cook it.
That's about 1 beer in timing.
Yeah, it's 13:03 for time. 13:13. We're on taco time.
That's not a plug for the company.
I think there's enough in there. Actually, that might be too much.
I did put a little extra water.
Yeah, it'll be too soupy, so we'll just let those sit. 10 minutes.
Is it good?
All right, so here's Big Al making his taco.
Delicious taco.
Mm-hmm. Salsa. Just rolls off the tongue nice even.
There you go. And that's all she wrote.
Okay, see if you can eat in one bite.
Nope.
Taco in belly soon.
There we go. Okay. So we got cheese, which is one of the necessary things for tacos. We'll just throw that right in the bottom there. Let they get all melty. Some of our super duper taco beef. I'll throw that in there too. Next is green onions, which and stuff that resembles lettuce, but it is not lettuce. It is spinach. Because, you know, us young men with our fucking prostates and issues and shit like that, we need the Yep. After tasty taco. So we did tacos, now we're having Smokies. Dip it in a little bit of fucking Keen's hot mustard. A little plug for the company there. It's really good. So good. Cheese Smokies. You gotta let them cool down or you burn your lips.
Tacos, beer, and Smokies. Doesn't get any better. Or does it?
Was it rum?
Yep. How would you like
That's fuel for bad decisions, I tell you.
Yep. Have a little sip.
Oh, it's nice and smooth.
Yeah, it's one of those Captain Morgan's, the richer, nicer blends. So it's pretty good.
Lord Morgan, wasn't it? You fucking 300 psi seal.
There we have, guys. It's our last bit of fire. We're gonna have a couple more beers, and we're gonna get out of here. All right, guys, so we're done. We've got our fire out. Everything's covered up. Leave no trace. And basically, we're gonna hit the road. All our beer's gone. Tacos are gone. Sausages are gone. Well, Adam's still got his. Anyway, we'll catch you on the flip side.